Hi there, it's me, the Elegance Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South. Hey guys, my name is Jenny Lindiligos, also known as the Elegance Estate, and one of the property specialists in Avida Land Court by Ayala Land. Before anything else, let me share with you yung journey ko before ako nag-real estate. Before, dati lang ako nagbe-bake ng mga pastries. And then ito, after ko mag-bake ng mga pastries, ito yung mga binebenta ko. And then pumasok din ako sa mga BPO companies. So isa akong technical support representative. And then online seller din ako before, lalo na nung kasagsagan ng pandemic na hindi naman naging hadlang sa family ko. With all my experience sa selling, siguro ito na talaga yata yung naging forte ko sa pagbebenta, kaya ito na yung passion ko. Since nandito na ako sa real estate, to give you an ideas in real estate, hindi kasi ito basta-basta na makabenta ka. Kasi minamaliit nila yung term na benta or nagbebenta. Ang di nila alam na ang salesperson ang nagbibigay ng information and knowledge to us. They learn to save and increase their quality of life. And yet, malaki talaga ang income dito. Malaki ang income pagka nandito ka na sa real estate and selling kasi hawak mo dito ang oras mo. And it depends on your effort. You will invest patience and diligence to achieve a financial comfort you want. And then you will receive other benefits and many more incentives. Siyempre, depende pa rin ito sa sales na gusto mo. And as a salesperson, nakakatulong ka na din to find their homes na gustong magkaroon ng sariling bahay for those who are renting. And now, I'm here in Avida, an Ayala company. Avida is one of the residential of Ayala and isa to sa mga sikat na developer dito in our country. They are also providing assured, secure, sensible and safe homes dito. So, ganun na po ka-establish ang Avida. Marami na din mga project ang Avida. So, meron tayo in Metro Manila, Cebu, and Davao. So, ngayon ang focus ko dito ngayon is yung Nuvali, which is located po siya dito in Santa Rosa, Laguna. Marami na rin mga project si Avida, which is lahat naman din talaga ay magaganda naman. Pero, why in Nuvali nga ba? Nuvali is the largest development and eco-city in the Philippines na located dito in Santa Rosa, Laguna. It has an area approximately 2,400 hectares and it is twice in the Makati City and 10 times in BGC. It is composed of luxury malls, corporate and business centers, school, church, open spaces and parks, and also the residential communities. And may mga existing development na rin dito and other developments na gagawin dito in the future, lalo na sa commercial side. And dito sa Nuvali, nahahati po siya into 4 segments. The Nuvali North, Nuvali Central, Nuvali South, and then the Nuvali Heights. So may mga existing development na rin na gagawin dito. Actually, may mga nakatayo na po talaga establishment dito inside the Nuvali. Sa SNR, Qualimed Hospital, Seda Hotel, Landers, madami pang mga existing establishment na gagawin dito inside the Nuvali. And then ongoing na rin yung construction dito sa East Block and then sa North CBD. And there's more. We offer a wide range of residential developments including house and lots, and condominiums. And one more thing kung bakit ako nag-focus dito sa Nuvali because ito yung gagawin na future Makati of the South. Makakaroon din siya ng Central District. In Nuvali, you're not buying a piece of unit standalone. What you're buying is the whole sustainable quality of Ayala development, which is a very peaceful community. So, ganun talaga ka-convenience here in Nuvali. I will feature all the development and establishments on my next video, so stay tuned. And now, as a part of Avida, I'm here to assist you guys to get your own property investment with ease and confidence, lalo na sa mga reservation of units, turnover, up to bank financing, and isa rin din po akong loan home broker. If you want to stay and move here in the South, and para sa mga first-time buyer and sa mga naghahanap ng property investment, you are in good hands from friendly and trusted developers. I hope na makonsider nyo po itong project na ino-offer po namin sa inyo. On my next video, i-share ko sa inyo lahat ng updates and projects here in the South, lalo na dito inside the Nuvali. Thanks for joining me. For those who want to get in touch with me, you can send me a message through my Facebook account, The Elegance Estate. Text or call through Viber or WhatsApp, that is 0927-378-0178. Let me help you to find your dream homes in the South. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bells for more updates. Once again, this is me, Jeneline Deligos, the Elegance Estate, showing you elegant properties in the South.